How to create split screen effect in CapCut. In this video, I will show you how can you easily create the split screen effect in CapCut. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open CapCut application and then choose a video where you want to edit the split screen effect. And all you need to do is add an overlay video over it. Here I have chosen a video, and now you need to manage the aspect ratio of how you want to edit the both videos. This is one method to do it. A video over the other, just like the overlay. The other method is to remove the video for overlay, and firstly you need to edit your video and then again follow the same step of overlay and add another video, but not over it but in a pattern so that it looks like it is in a template. And that's all. That is the only way to edit two videos in CapCut mobile phone, which looks like split screen effect. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.